everyone. So in yesterday's video, I made this code. I showed you these codes. So now we are gonna check the explanation. So in the first line, it's A equal to dict, which means I have made a container. In there, nothing is there. So in the second line, it says B equal to 1. So now while it says that, so we have made a container called b equal to 1. Made a container called b and we have put the number 1 in it. The third line, while b greater than or equal to 1 and b less than this big number. Actually we don't need and b less than this big number. So we made it so that it goes from 1 till all the way to the number just less than this big number. So if you want, I can just remove this. So now the counting will start from 1 to all the way to 100. So the next line, C equal to input, please enter a word. So it will print, please input a word, enter a word. So then we will input anything. So like A, B, or 1, 2, 3, X, Y, Z, anything you want. So we have we have made the container called A, in which it's like together the number which wrote and the number which is in and the word that we wrote. So the word and the number will go together. So remember, this is the one important. So now in the next line, it will check the length of that container, how many items are stored in that. And it will check if the one returned is score, the word score. If it's score, then it will delete that word and then goes into this thing. We have made 1, 2, 3, 4 containers called ones, tens, tens, thousands, in which it goes accordingly. And if the number is, we wrote the number, if the length is 0, it will return as 0. And accordingly it returns this. And then, so they will, after, if it's not 0, then it will skip all of this from def to here, return dot join, and will go to parts, and then it will go to chunk count equal to 0, and it will go here, and yeah, it will go here. So yeah, so first it will execute this. So it will go here, and at this part, if chunk parts dot append no, yeah, here, then it will go up and execute a lot of this, and then after at the end, when it's all done, it will come. So that this part is all count, the score part. The problem is I don't know exactly how it works. I just went to Google and searched it. So till here, beginning from here, I did not made it. I just used Google, so sorry. But actually I did the rest on my own. So this. So if the number is equal to 1, if the b, which is this number, is equal to 1, then it increases by 1. So now it's in b it's 2 and will go back at the top here and continues the code. And then after executing all of this, and if it's b greater than 1, so if it's like 2, now instead of going here, it will go here. So here, since it's greater than 1, it will go here, and it will check if the number is not equal to the length. So let's say the length is 5 since we repeated. So let's execute it. So I write A, then B, then C. So now the B is fourth. So now the B equal to 4. But if I write C again, now the D, which is the length of unique letters, is become 3. So the B, which is 4, and D, actually in B it's 3. It's B equal to 3. But in D it's equal to, wait, sorry, in B it's 4, but in D it's 3. D looks at the how many unique letters. So since they are not same, they will just left. Like this it stops and it will check how many unique letters there are. That, and it stops, and if it's unique it increases by 1. After this, if it's equal then it will go here, and now the B is increased by 1. And if it break, this all comes execute after this from here all the way till this break. Sorry, this B plus is equal to 1. After it comes out of this holder, it will come here and look at and executes it. That's why it's A, B, C, D. Then when I press again one of those 4, it said 4. Since A, B, C, D, 4 are only there. So that's the explanation. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.